How to fix lag in Fortnite. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If your Fortnite game is lagging and stuttering while gameplay, then you are in the right place. To fix the lag issue, first of all, make sure that you connect your device to a stable internet. Fortnite needs a stable connection, so make sure to restart your Wi-Fi router. You can also use a wired Ethernet connection if possible, and close off any other app that is using internet in the background. Make sure no other application is running on your device's background, and once you make sure of that, the next thing you want to do is to launch open Fortnite, and from the home screen of Fortnite, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top right corner and click the gear button. Inside the video tab, go ahead and select the display option, and you can go ahead and lower the mobile frame rate by tapping on the arrow on the left and decrease that. After you decrease the FPS, the next thing you want to do is to decrease the user interface contrast under graphics. Set your graphic quality to low. Make sure that this is low over here. Right next to anti-aliasing and super resolution, make sure it is turned off. So under texture quality as well, make sure you've set it to low. And after you do that, click on apply at the bottom and apply these settings. Now, after you make sure of these, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. Search for Fortnite in the search bar. And once you open up this page, look for an update button if available. If you see the update button, tap on it immediately. If you don't, then you already have the latest version running on your device for Fortnite. Now go to the top right corner from the same page and tap the three dots and make sure that you've enabled the auto update option so that you don't have to keep updating the app now and then, and your game can keep up with the recent updates. After you make sure of the update, you can open up the game again, and this might help you with your lagging issue. You can also try freeing up some storage space. Low storage can cause your device to slow down, so delete any unused games or files. Keep at least 10 to 20% storage free. By following these steps, you should notice much smoother gameplay and fewer lag spikes in Fortnite. So that is how you fix lag issue in Fortnite. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.